Namaskar. Soups are considered like a comfort food in most of the culture in the world. Today, I am going to give you 6 recipes for preparing dinner soup, which will help you to reduce weight effectively. These soups have nutritious vegetables, which are sometimes challenging to add to our regular recipes. They are not only high in nutrients but also low in calories. The first recipe, dal water tofu vegetable soup. Take 1 bowl of cooked moong or masoor dal water, 100 grams tofu, 1 cup chopped bell peppers, half cup chopped French beans, half cup finely chopped coriander leaves, 1/4 teaspoon black pepper, 1/4 cup basil, 1 teaspoon ghee, thyme and rock salt as per taste. In a saucepan, heat the ghee, add all the vegetables and roast them. Cover the saucepan with a lid and cook the vegetables properly. Add tofu and roast till it is light brown. Then add pepper and herbs. Lastly, add dal water and salt and cook for a while. Serve this soup when it is hot. The dal water in soup is high in fiber and low in calories. It boosts metabolism, which speeds up the weight loss process. It helps in increasing insulin level in our body and eliminates weakness from the body. Tofu is naturally gluten free and low in calories. It contains no cholesterol and is an excellent source of iron and calcium. Bell pepper, French beans, and green peas are all with fibers. They are rich in fibers, packed with vitamins, and low in calorie. Second soup, whey sprout soup. Take 1 bowl of homemade whey water. When you make paneer or cottage cheese at home, the residual water is called as whey water. Take half a cup of alfalfa sprouts, 1 cup chopped spring onions, half a cup of baby corn, half tablespoon oil, and salt and black pepper to taste. Heat oil in saucepan, add alfalfa sprouts and baby corn. Stir until well cooked. Add whey water and bring it to a boil. Then add spring onion and black pepper. Stir well. In the end, add salt and serve. Whey water facilitates weight loss, strengthens muscles, and boosts digestion. Alfalfa sprouts contain antioxidants as well as nutrients like vitamin K, copper, folates, and magnesium. They are also extremely low in calories. Now, the third soup, barley radish leaf soup. You will need 30-gram barley, which is pre-soaked for 4 to 5 hours, 2 tablespoons masoor dal, 1 cup chopped radish leaves, 1 cup chopped carrots, a little oil, black pepper, and salt to taste. In a pressure cooker, first heat the oil, then add the carrots, masoor dal, barley, salt, and 4.5 cups of water. Mix well and pressure cook for 2 to 3 whistles. Allow the steam to escape before opening the lid. Transfer the mixture to another pan, add radish leaves and black pepper, and then cook for a while. Serve this immediately. Barley is packed with fibers and essential minerals such as selenium, copper, tryptophan, and manganese. Radish leaves are rich in magnesium and vitamin C and K, and they protect the lung tissues against oxidative stress and damage. Fourth soup, quinoa soup. Take 30 grams of quinoa, a few leaves of baby spinach, 1 cup diced pumpkin, 2 chopped stalks of celery, 1 cup diced tomatoes, 1 tablespoon lemon juice, 1 teaspoon each of cumin powder and oregano, 1/4 teaspoon black pepper, a little oil and salt accordingly. In a large pot, heat a little oil in a medium flame. Add pumpkin, celery, and season with salt and pepper. Cook, stirring occasionally until vegetables are cooked softer for about 10 minutes. Add diced tomatoes, quinoa, and cumin. Pour in some water and stir to combine. Bring to boil until quinoa is tender, say about 13 to 15 minutes. Stir baby spinach and cook until wilted. 1 minute more, then stir with lemon juice. Season with salt, pepper, oregano, and serve hot. Quinoa is a good source of protein and fiber. It is even good in iron, thiamine, copper, and vitamin B6. It is also considered to be an excellent source of phosphorus, manganese, magnesium, and folate. Baby spinach is rich in vitamin K and magnesium, which lowers the risk of bone fracture and improves bone density. Pumpkin has antioxidant which can boost your immune system, protect your eyesight, lower the risk of cancer, and promotes heart and skin health. Fifth, zucchini celery lemon soup. You will need 1 cup diced zucchini, 1 cup chopped celery, 1 stalk chopped lemongrass, 1 tablespoon lemon juice, half tablespoon black pepper, a little oil and salt for taste. Put a little oil in a saucepan and toss zucchini until it is half cooked. Add 2 cups of water to it and let it come to boil. Add celery, lemongrass, lemon juice, black pepper and salt. Cook it well and serve hot. Zucchini is rich in multiple antioxidants, including lutein and zeaxanthin. It is rich in water and fiber. These two compounds which promote healthy digestion by reducing the risk of constipation and symptoms of various gut disorders. Celery contains a plant compound called apigenin, which plays the role as anti-inflammatory, antibacterial, antiviral, and antioxidant agent. Lemongrass is an excellent resilient herb that works best to protect you from infections, insomnia, respiratory disorders, fevers, and aches. Now, sixth soup is broccoli stem soup. Take 1 broccoli head, 1 cup chopped celery, 1 cup diced carrots, 1 cup chopped bell peppers, 1/4 teaspoon black pepper, 1 teaspoon oil and salt for taste. Boil water, add pinch of salt, then add broccoli head and carrots into it. Simmer for 3 minutes. Once they are partially cooked, then keep it in a strainer to drip off the excess water. Remove the broccoli florets and keep aside. Blend the broccoli stems into a thick puree. In a saucepan, heat oil and then add carrots, broccoli florets, and bell peppers. Stir well, then add broccoli stem puree, celery, black pepper, and salt to taste. Cook it for a while and then serve. The broccoli stem is sometimes discarded as it is thought to be superfluous part of broccoli head with little flavor or nutritional value. However, the stem contains much of the same nutrients as the broccoli florets, such as vitamin A, vitamin C, fibers, potassium, and folates. Carrots are an excellent source of beta carotene, antioxidants, and potassium, which help to keep your blood pressure in check. It is also rich in fiber, which helps to maintain a healthy weight and lowers the chance of heart problems. These nutritious soups are good for your entire family, even if losing weight isn't everybody's goal. So make it a regular practice to make these soups in a regular rotation to bring varieties in your dinner plan and enjoy the dinner. Namaskar.